No, this is a OFC matter.
Yes, madam.
Maintenance.
Yes.
You said he's a handicapped, which was denied by you. Please tell the court how much is the maintenance granted by the court below.
10,000.
What is the income of the wife?
Madam, more than 27,000. He went on making allegations against a disabled man. He's incorrect.
Yes.
She's leading a rigorous life. She don't want to produce the salary certificate. She's a teacher, maintenance of my mother, and as well as my mentally retarded brother. It comes to my lord of 46,800.
So, your rent is her salary. For her whole
Well, I'm
money
paying
is
rent,
that.
rented house, madam.
No, again, the lower court also observed about the child.
It is not our child, sir.
That we will see.
Trial court also very clearly said.
The court speaks about the able-bodied person.
But as per the decisions of this honorable court, the disabled petitioner before this honorable court is handicapped. Your Lordship directed me to keep present.
Matter.
My lord, on 10/7, my lord, we have filed photographs and other documents with additional affidavit.
No, this is a OFC matter.
Yes, madam.
Maintenance.
Yes.
You said he's a handicapped, which was denied by you. So, you see,
He has been employed, he has been gainfully employed. He has been
Your client, his client also, my lord, BE.Ed. BE.BA,
no, please tell the court how much is the maintenance granted by the court below.
10,000.
What is his income?
His income, my lord, it is 7 nimisha. Don't prejudice the court, sir. See, there are assets and liabilities filed by both parties. My lord, can you see, yesterday I filed,
What is the income of the wife?
my lord, more than 27,000. She has not produced the salary certificate before the honorable trial court. But she proclaimed only, my lord, 14,000. 14,000. Then, my
Husband's
lord,
income?
his income is 58,000 and add, my lord, out of which, my lord, 46,800 is the expenses, monthly expenses for his age-old alien mother and the elder brother who is a mentally retarded person. They are two depending. My lord, he is also, my lord, he is wearing pant. Therefore, my lord, we produced 4 photographs on 10/7, my lord, in order to appreciate whether I am correct or the other side is correct. He went on making allegations against a disabled man. He's incorrect. She is happily, my lord,
Why would he make whatever his
correct. She
instructions
is happily
will
living.
submit?
She is leading a rigorous life. She don't want to produce the salary certificate. She is a teacher.
Child is there? Only wife or the child is also there?
Child is not ours, my lord. There is the biggest complaint. If your lordship required to let me produce, she has been, my lord, stolen the child from Vanivilas Hospital, Victoria Hospital. There are so many complaints are there. She is facing criminal cases. Here,
Anyhow, we'll not go into all that. Let's please come to the
Yeah.
order.
under
Please come to the order. Order impugned.
RTI, my lord, we got all the documents.
Order
The
impugned.
client has stolen the child. Your lordship says, the honorable trial court also rejected the maintenance to the said Raghavi, the child, who has been adopted by the respondent wife.
Marriage is solemnized on 12/11/2014.
No, where did the court discuss about your salary?
Petitioner is getting, after all deductions, the net salary of rupees 58,250. But my lord, at the same time, I would like to invite my lordship to assets and liabilities filed by the page number 64, my lord, I clearly disclosed what are the expenses and maintenance of my mother and as well as my mentally retarded brother. It comes to, my lord, of 46,800. I am getting only 58,250. My wife is getting more than 27,000. She did not disclose the salary by producing the salary certificate. She is a school teacher.
What is happening for that amount, 48,000?
My lord, I have clearly mentioned in column 3, my lord, in page number 64. 18,000 rent, my lord.
18,000?
Rent. 64 Bunison, please.
Where do you get that rent, 18,000?
Uh,
So your rent is her salary, her whole
well, I am
money
paying
is
rent,
that.
rented house, madam.
Where is she staying?
She is staying somewhere. She is drawing more than 27,000. But I have no money because I am getting 58,250 and the expenses is 46,800. I have to maintain my age-old aliened mother.
Wife also you have to maintain.
Definitely. It is not denied by
So
law.
the court has
also.
also understood
It
that.
is law also not denied. My lord, kindly see the photographs which I produced. My friend saying that he is not at all having any trouble. Therefore, my lord, your lordship directed me to, keep present the petitioner before the court. I am able to pay my lord only 3,000 to 4,000 because he is getting my salary.
No, again, the lower court also observed about the
It
child.
is not our child, sir.
That we will see.
Trial court also very clearly said.
Always the court speaks about the able-bodied person in all the judgments.
B and MBA. B and
Strict
MBA.
sense.
Well educated.
No, the wife is also well educated.
B.Ed, my lord.
I have filed the execution petition also.
Please come.
For the 3,70,000 is.
That you can recover whatever, like till the other order is passed by this court, whatever are the arrears. The husband is before this court. It is the case of the wife that the petitioner, the disputes have arose between the parties and the petitioner, the disputes arose between the wife and husband, and the husband had disputed the paternity of the child. It is a case that is drawing a salary of 52,000. Salary of rupees 58,250. The salary of the wife is 14,000. The husband is having several properties. And with that amount, as she is not able to maintain herself, and it's the duty of the husband, she sought for maintenance of an amount of rupees. How much is sought? How much is the maintenance sought?
35,000.
30?
35,000.
And a maintenance of rupees 35,000 is sought. When I agreed thereby, the husband is before this court. When this matter came up on the last occasion before this court, the counsel for the petitioner has disputed, the petitioner submitted that the husband is a handicapped person, which was disputed by the respondent. Then counsel for the petitioner submits that today the petitioner is before this court, which shows that he's a handicapped person. He submits that he's having a mentally retarded brother and also of aged mother to take care of.
74 years, ma'am.
74 years. The qualification of the wife is
B.Ed.
B.E. B.Ed.
B.Ed. B.Ed, madam.
B.A. B.Ed.
B.Ed, somebody.
B.E.
What they have,
Bachelor in education.
B. B.Ed. And the qualification of husband is
B.M.B.A.
B.E. M.B.A.
Both are same, madam.
B.
Equal
B.E.
graduation.
M.B.A. And as the wife is equally educated and also physically more stronger than is in a better position than the husband. She could have, the court below ought not to have directed the husband to pay maintenance of an amount of rupees 10,000. Land counsel appearing for the respondent submits that, respondent wife submits that the husband, the wife is alone taking care of the child and taking care of the child. The husband is in fact is drawing more than the salary as stated, but as though he's drawing more than 70,000, only 58,000 is shown as the salary. Even if 58,000 is taken, there's still as considering the income of the wife, he has to support her and pay the maintenance. Next one, considering the submission of both the parties. There is the material law record. There is no dispute about the fact that the husband is a handicapped person. And both of them are equally educated. According to the husband, he has a mother and a mentally retarded brother to take care of. According to the wife, she had to take care of a girl whom she has adopted. Considering the case of both the parties, this court deems it appropriate to reduce the maintenance from 10,000 to 5,000, accordingly disposed of.